Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. And I'm here with my another video, and my this video is about foot massage and foot care, which is important to keep your feet healthy, to keep them moisturized, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and watch this video till the end. And a foot massage is a therapeutic treatment that involves manipulating the muscles and soft tissues of the of the feet to promote relaxation, relieve pain, and improve overall well-being. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety, relieve foot pain and discomfort, and improve circulation and reduce inflammation, enhance sleep quality, and boost energy level. And during a foot massage, the therapist may use various techniques such as kneading, rolling, or and pressing to target specific areas of tension. Some popular type of foot massage include reflexology and Swedish massage, aromatherapy massage, whether you are seeking relief from foot pain or simply looking to relax and unwind. A foot massage can be a wonderful way to pamper yourself and rejuvenate your body and mind. And it's very important to improve the blood circulation. And if you like this videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.